Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So M2 missions became my personal favorite, in the recent times because of the detailing and how cool it looks. And this one is a 1954 Mercury Sun Valley. And let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. Okay. So here is the box. 1954 Mercury makes any driving easy. That looks really nice. Okay, practically same detailing everywhere. Okay, let's keep this aside. So here it is. So I personally love that every M2 comes with acrylic case, which is really nice, especially if you want to display. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here it is. Okay, now we need to unscrew this. So I'm just going to do it off camera. So just give me a minute, guys. Okay, so here it is. So I finally got it off. So I'm just keeping the screws aside, and here is the base. So base is actually plastic. It has this M2 logo here. So let's put this aside for a minute and look at the car. Okay, so the first impressions of this car, this car looks, it is really heavy and it looks really beautiful. Okay, let's close everything for a minute. Wow. So it has this glittery blue kind of paint job which looks really nice. It has a lot of dust though. But still it looks really nice. So it has acrylics for headlights, which is really nice. And the grill details and everything, it looks really beautiful. So the body and chassis, everything is made of metal, and the rims looks really cool. So the tires are actually made of rubber, and the rims are actually made of plastic. So it has openable parts everywhere, and it has a sunroof as well, which is green tinted, and it looks really so nice. So let's open the door and see how it looks. It is pretty easy to open. It is not hard like some of the Maseratis which we normally see. I really like the green light shines through the seat and everything. It looks really cool. And it has a good, latch to lock on. And let's open the hood and see. It has some good engine detailing to it. Which is really nice. It is not coming down. This looks really beautiful. And again, this one is very heavy. It is not light by any means. So it doesn't have any suspension, but it's fine. It, it just looks beautiful, just the way it looks. You don't need anything more than this. I'm not going to do a roll test here because it's heavy and it's rubber and everything. So it does have a lot of wheel wobble on both wheels. So anyway, we are not going to play with it. So I'm just going to keep it back in the acrylic case and I'm just going to keep it back in the box. And like the other M2s. No, that looks really beautiful. The detailings are really top notch. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.